So we've painted this scene already, but I loved it so much I wanted to paint it again, but at night time. So let's make a start. Nice dark wash of Payne's grey. The moon has been masked on this one. Using a clean dry brush we lift out the glow around the moon. In the moonlight, the rock appears a light blue. Got a bit of a paint run happening in the top right, but we don't need to worry about that because we're going to do another wash of the Payne's grey in the sky, right there. Deep, thick paint for the foreground. You'll notice I've masked some areas, the doorways, the window, the moon. Painting in detail for the stairs. Now I'm lifting out the highlights on the buildings using a dry, flat brush. I've removed the mask around the lights and I'm just adding in little warm dots of orange and yellow. So hopefully, if you learnt something, feel free to add a comment or subscribe. Thanks for watching.